If you're looking to generate sales reports in Folk CRM, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to do it in a few simple steps, so you can start using Folk CRM to track your business performance efficiently. By the end, you'll know how to leverage this tool to its full potential for your sales team, even if you're new to CRM software. Before we dive in, I want to let you know that you can try Folk CRM for free through the link in the description below. Plus, we've secured an exclusive bonus for you that you won't find anywhere else. Now, let's get started. The first thing you need to know about generating sales reports in Folk CRM is that it's incredibly intuitive, even for beginners. To begin, head over to your dashboard. From here, you'll want to navigate to the Reports section, which is where all the magic happens. Folk CRM has an easy-to-navigate interface, and generating reports doesn't require a complicated setup. Once you're in the Reports section, you'll see several different report types, including sales reports. Click on Sales Reports, and you'll be taken to a page where you can start customizing your report. Here's where the real flexibility comes in. Folk CRM allows you to filter your sales data by time periods, sales reps, lead sources, and even specific deal stages. This helps you get exactly the information you need without any of the clutter. Now, one of the standout features of Folk CRM is the ability to visualize your data through graphs and charts. Once you've customized your report, you can choose from different visual options, like bar charts or pie charts, to make your data even more digestible. This visual representation will help you and your team track sales performance at a glance, making it easier to identify trends and areas for improvement. If you need to compare data from multiple time periods, you can set up comparative reports as well. This is especially useful when you want to see how sales numbers have changed from month to month or year to year. Folk CRM even allows you to break down your sales report by individual team members or departments, helping you pinpoint who's performing well and who may need additional support. You can also export your reports to CSV or Excel, which means you can take the data with you, whether you want to analyze it offline or share it with your team. This is a great feature for businesses that rely on detailed analytics or need to present data in a formal setting. Now, here's an important tip. Folk CRM lets you schedule automatic reports. This means you can set up a report to be generated on a regular basis, daily, weekly, or monthly, without having to do it manually each time. This feature saves you time and ensures that your sales team always has up-to-date information at their fingertips. By the way, if you're new to CRM software or just starting with Folk CRM, the system's learning curve is relatively small. Folk CRM is designed with user-friendliness in mind, so even if you're not a tech expert, you'll be able to navigate the platform quickly. To wrap up, generating sales reports in Folk CRM is quick and easy. The software is built to save you time while giving you all the insights you need to make data-driven decisions. From customizing reports to exporting your data and setting up automatic schedules, Folk CRM streamlines the process, making it a powerful tool for your sales operations. Remember, if you're new to Folk CRM, you can try it out completely free by clicking the link below. Plus, with our exclusive bonus, you'll have even more opportunities to explore all that this CRM has to offer. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out the link in the description for your extended free trial.